When you're looking for the percents of carbs, fats, and proteins, you will go to here, your food tab. And as you go down here, you'll see that it says your food diary for, and then you can change the dates either going backwards or forwards. As you look through this, you'll see that it lists everything that you have eaten for the day, and then it's down here that you're going to find the percents. So here's the percents of carbs for that day, here's the percents of proteins for that day, and here's the percents of fats for that day. I'm using a laptop for this. Now, if you're using a mobile app, you'll have also access to weekly totals or weekly averages. If you are using your laptop, you're going to have to calculate the weekly average for those percents. That is not given on the free version of the